This video explores the intricate relationship between anxiety and panic, highlighting the strong correlation often observed between these two constructs among participants. Such overlap can complicate the subsequent analysis. Hopelessness is frequently recognized as a symptom of depression, suggesting that elevated hopelessness scores may correlate with higher depression inventory scores. This dynamic further illustrates the concept of multicollinearity. The speaker aims to investigate multicollinearity using various methods, with a particular focus on anxiety, panic, depression, and hopelessness. This examination is essential for ensuring accurate analysis. Significant correlations exist between predictor variables, with depression and hopelessness exhibiting a high correlation coefficient of 0.938. This indicates a heightened risk for individuals dealing with both conditions. Moreover, the analysis reveals a noteworthy correlation between anxiety and panic, measured at 0.637. This suggests that these two conditions may influence one another within clinical contexts. The examination of multicollinearity occurs within the framework of linear regression, underscoring its importance in analyzing relationships among multiple predictor variables. This facet is critical for accurate mental health assessments. Tolerance and variance inflation factor (VGIF) serve as key metrics in the evaluation of multicollinearity. Tolerance denotes the proportion of variance that remains unexplained by other variables. Utilizing Excel for calculations streamlines the analysis process. Copying values from statistical software to Excel facilitates the efficient computation of VIF. There are no universally accepted cutoff values for tolerance and VIF, emphasizing the necessity for careful interpretation of these metrics. Common cutoff thresholds for tolerance in multicollinearity assessment include 0.1 and 0.2, which correspond to variance inflation factors of 10 and 5, respectively, indicating potential concern. When assessing predictor variables, a correlation of 0.63 indicates that anxiety and panic do not pose multicollinearity issues based on the previously mentioned guidelines. Despite the depression and hopelessness variables adhering to the 0.1 and 10 rule, their variance inflation factors suggest a need for further scrutiny regarding multicollinearity. A strong correlation coefficient of 0.938 emphasizes the relationship between depression and hopelessness, pointing to the possibility of multicollinearity issues within regression analysis. This requires meticulous examination. To address multicollinearity, researchers might consider removing one of the correlated variables, such as hopelessness, to uphold the integrity and accuracy of their predictive models. Following the removal of the hopelessness variable, the analysis reflects acceptable variance inflation factors, indicating that the remaining predictors do not present concerning levels of multicollinearity.